Chris Hipkins gets set to meet his Chinese counterpart during week-long trade mission to Beijing. What's happening with all the unused COVID tests worth millions of dollars, and how a desperate crypto trading investment saw a Kiwi company run to the ground. Te Mārie, I'm Sherry Kinnear, and these are the latest New Zealand Herald headlines. Our Prime Minister set for his most significant diplomatic engagement since taking up the role. Chris Hipkins will meet with Chinese leader Xi Jinping later today and is promising not to shy away from thorny topics. He says there are many areas of cooperation and understandings between the two nations, but Hipkins says he'll still be raising areas of concern in the New Zealand-China relationship.
Where we can work together, where we can collaborate, where we can cooperate with China, we seek to do that. Where we have areas of disagreement, we seek to create an environment where we can air those openly and honestly amongst ourselves. That's one of the reasons why I'm here in this trip.
Around $160 million worth of rats brought during the COVID-19 pandemic are set to be wasted by Te Whatu Ora. Health Minister Verrill has directed the agency to hurry up to find a way to recycle them, but she hasn't set a timeline for when a solution needs to be found. A Te Whatu Ora spokesperson says large quantities were bought early last year and in late 2021. It says the amount bought was decided by assessing what impact the Omicron variant would have on constraints on global supply chains. Almost $1 million has gone towards lump sum compensation for people permanently injured by surgical mesh. Our newsroom can reveal ACC has made 55 such payments over the last 5 years. To be eligible for lump sum compensation, patients need to have a whole person impairment rating of at least 10%. A Health Ministry spokesperson says mesh is no longer used for pelvic organ prolapse, but remains a valid treatment option. A $3 million crypto investment aimed at saving Aloha Travel business ended up running it to the ground. Ecotourism company We Are Bamboo has been placed in liquidation after the company's closure last year. Hundreds of customers have lost deposits after the company shut down. Liquidator Ian Shepherd says the company's director traded customer money for crypto to help finance the business through the pandemic. He says people are angry that money that they thought was being held on their behalf has been lost. Hopes a multi-million-dollar government loan to Rotorua Alpine lifts liquidators gets the ski fields off thin ice. The government's chipping in up to $5 million towards the liquidators as a new bid has entered the table. A group on behalf of iwi is now proposing to take over operations of the ski fields. The bid for operations to be split between two other companies is still an option. Iwi representatives say meaningful consultation means it might take a while to see the mountain open this season. Ruapehu Mayor Weston Curtin says it's a complex situation, but the financial backing helps jobs. And those are the latest New Zealand Herald headlines. For more news worth knowing, head to nzherald.co.nz. Kia pai te rā. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. To stay up to date with all the latest news from the New Zealand Herald, click the subscribe button below or check out one of the videos here, and head over to nzherald.co.nz for more details on these stories and more.